Opimswo Otikokoswo Asantehene Otumfuo say to the second which can same be 17 years ago. Abrade Atames etna kunyasa Atames eko menhia himfie eko sra nanano. Otumfuo can same be about NPP and NDC. Their participation in Ghana's development and their impact on Ghana as mbia yewo. Otumfuo can same be ewo ho. Na memoir video no. Na wahwese asemo kan abamu ne anase ememo no akere wadwena mama e wo comment aha Penyah block media mesra say ni die mu obe like video na rawo ma be subscribe button na be click notification icon for latest updates na be akere wadwena mama e wo comment mesra so baso obe share video ma for so enya bi ahye etuba Ghana is say one of the most insulted leaders in Ghana today Asantehene Otumfuo many money anana we aye but atemidie die any insult pa there. President Kura be SNNAWE. Every day, left, right, center. Say, Bibi Boni because so ewo different regional. And I say, if there is no development in a different regional, we blame that on the government. But say Bibi because so issue because so Asantehene, you see people blaming Otumfuo for that. What I say, and nice because it makes you a powerful leader. The people look up to you for development. Okay. Now say you heard the face of Ghana politics. Abaya insults. Politics in Ghana today abaya propaganda and insults. Using propaganda and insults to reign power. Eti wa wano odenia. Owo akasama fu manu odene eti di atem etwetwe twantro kire Ghana for di eto Ghana for adwene. Ona betima reign power. Now the Ghanaians don't vote based on development every day. They vote based on what betimi akasa. Wa obetimi akasa ma wano ayedene wano aburu obi so ona Ghana for one sembe to masum ama ya to abarama. Now about 17 years ago, exactly 17th January 2009, yede Atames etna kunyasa no. Atames eko menhia himfie. That was 2002 calculated 17 years ni. Atames eko menhia himfie. Na eho no Otumfuo eka assembly efa Ghana politics on that is NPP and NDC. Na yenko video nimra.
Na kometo ye de bebia ese sekana no ye de kwani. Ebi ma ye bi asabi suntumi nka so no cha ase. Ebi ma ye bi e betia so ye misra yanko. Misra yanko mo. Mama me agba. Mama ma mo amodin. Ye me mo mo na ma. Won we di ni no, won mo cha ase no. Atana sanu dom ye ma metia so.
Yadia Ebompa Yama. Asantehene Nchru. Asantehene NDC. Na nyasa NPP ana NDC ana CPP. Asantehene bi don NDC. Asantehene bi don NPP. Asantehene bi don CPP. You will be up and walk. Nay, NDC aban or Yatu Abama or one year. NDC Abama, every referee one market said the Bay and put you about and put you a quite a name NDC and name MPP. Asantehene a name NDC and name MPP. That's what Asantehene Baba. Sanokra Baba Maimwa. If you want to grow no more to MPP and NDC, no more numbers are say chrono. And never say chrono. Party politics known as Yanria attempted the near my woman. Emphasis a babu will be a basso, will be a cassette, Penyah will be a cassette, will be and then Yanria chrono.
Party politics, and now we are cassette, young will be a basso, and you will be a brother, Manabasso, here cassette, and the best on
Obama and say, Fear 9, one family, you drew Fear 9 on Nessa, Nebima, and Sonia, Montua Bentiano.
So,
What me here, what was soon prenu, and son and Nebraska. Ghana for me and Tias, and young couple money and Famuapa. I buy away any Yahweh Magana, my one any Yahweh Magana, my show. Ghana for me and Tias, and young couple, Ghana. So I buy any Yahweh Magana, so I need to Ghana. When you were Bemonsu, Yantias, as a Ghana for 2 minutes, won't be a true or Yanfa to me via anyone find yet your pet. Someone just as a Ghana for 2 minutes, and I don't have a good baby, only from 1 as a 2 and I don't pay. One day, I boy, I am a minister near you know, Sadian and Ra, yes, been Mabun Kunta, son, examples you have from the Mabun Kunta. So I am a swap for ministers, so then let us be Mabun, Sasuna, who will be from the Mabun Kunta. Mampanyena ya tu abama na dawo mamudi anya tumi no momfa bu ani ani die ma no yo mampanyena ya tu abama no a na mu so no mo tumi no momfa de bu ani ani die ma no Etienne MPP president fo no nipa atwam ho ahia fa atwam kontompo kira mo yo mampanyena fo no MPP o ma atwam ho ahia no o mo nka no kura no kira mo MPP nipa na atwam ho ahia wo ho no fa nka no kura de o mo pa die nti ye tu fu kura ye ntu ne ye yo Nzemahine aha omuzemafu wa yenim ya hasir baby free Nzemahine ase momo ase yesin bia Asantehene yenim ne hasir baby free sana Asantehene so yenim ne hasir eche baby Yesu amosihine wonamu bu a ho na ne yede ekọ me wo kyekyere maye Yesu amosihine wonamu bu amozongo ade okọ chona Yenyinara Hausa for yene wo mu anatia It's an is $1 Gaskia needed she go one or so much. A German. So we can we are many penny who said, and yet Nana was here, and there was a nipper dinner granny who was Asante, yet don't nipper. And was here, and you put was here.
So when in Samoa, Otumfuo Asantehene, Ekafa Ghana politics on 17 years ago. 17 years ago. And Otumfuo Eka say we actually say, as Otumfuo can so here and Ghana your politics be able to see ya. You can say Otumfuo or your prophet because asemo kan so here Ghana ya sumdwa ewa eye politics na ese Ghana ya sumdwe politics na ese Ghana ya sumdwe policy da akra di Penyah tema onfa ho eye normal man eye normal Otumfuo kan say me kire atamis 17 years ago even before 24th July 2012 atamis ebewo
go behind the flower. Find a way down. Please. When the body comes, the rubber shoe.
Yɛsrɛ wadwuma me ɛwɔ comment section. Aha yɛ Penyah blog media.